Hello and welcome back to Responsive Web Design on freeCodeCamp. This is step 11. Finally, JavaScript makes your web page interactive. It lets you tell the page what to do when someone clicks a button, submits a form, or many other things. For the last step of the workshop, add another H3 and P element to the page describing JavaScript. First, add an H3 element with the text Introduction to JavaScript. Then below the H3 element, add a P element with the following text. JavaScript adds interactivity to a web page. We're just continuing on with the H3s, which are all part of the H2, the curriculum. Here, we're now just going to do the Introduction to JavaScript H3. Let's do that. And then under it, we're doing the P element describing that. If we zoom out, check our code, we did pass it. And again, it's just repeating everything we've already talked about. We still have the H1, which is the main title, the H2, full stack curriculum, which is our subheading, a paragraph that describes that subheading. And then we go into the H3s, which are these three: Introduction to HTML, Introduction to CSS, Introduction to JavaScript, which were all part of that full stack curriculum. And then we have paragraphs describing each H3. Again, we've only covered HTML so far, which is the structure and content of our page. But in the future, we'll learn more about styling through CSS and interactivity of a web page using JavaScript. For now, this is the basics you need to know for HTML, which again centers around structuring your web page content. If you're getting that, you're understanding so far, and I'll see you in the next one.